Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at ASUS TUF A15 gaming laptop. ASUS has been making great strides in the gaming laptop industry, and its TUF series of laptops have been highly popular among gamers. The TUF A15 is the latest addition to the TUF series, and it's packed with impressive hardware specifications that make it a worthy competitor in the gaming laptop market. The TUF A15 offers powerful performance and durability. The laptop has a robust design and is built to withstand harsh environments, making it suitable for gamers and power users who are always on the go. Please make sure you watch the video until the end. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Now let's begin with the video. ASUS TUF A15 Gaming Laptop. Design. The ASUS TUF A15 has a rugged design that looks and feels like it can take a beating. The laptop has a military-grade construction, which means it can withstand harsh environmental conditions, shock, and vibrations. The laptop comes in Eclipse gray color or graphite black option, and it has a textured finish that provides a good grip. The laptop weighs 5.07 pounds, which makes it a bit heavy for a 15.6-inch laptop. Display. The TUF A15 has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The display has a 144 Hz refresh rate, which provides a smooth gaming experience with minimal motion blur. The display also has an anti-glare coating that reduces reflections and eye strain. The display has good color accuracy and a wide viewing angle, which makes it ideal for gaming, media consumption, and productivity tasks. Performance. The TUF A15 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 5900H processor, which is a high-performance mobile processor designed for gaming and other demanding tasks. The processor has 8 cores and 16 threads, and it has a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz and a boost clock speed of 4.6 GHz. Memory. It comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for most gaming and productivity tasks. The laptop gives users the option to upgrade to 64 GB of RAM in the future. Storage. The TUF A15 has a 2 TB of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, which provides fast boot times and quick access to files and applications. The laptop also has an empty SATA 3 slot that can accommodate a hard disk drive or an SSD for additional storage. Graphics. It has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card with 6 GB GDDR6 VRAM. The graphics card provides exceptional gaming performance and ray tracing capabilities. The laptop also has AMD Radeon graphics that can be switched on for less demanding tasks to save power. Cooling. The TUF A15 has a comprehensive cooling system that comprises dual fans, 3 heatsinks, and multiple heat pipes. The laptop also has an anti-dust cooling system that prevents dust accumulation and extends the lifespan of the laptop. The cooling system keeps the laptop cool even during extended gaming sessions, which ensures optimal performance and stability. Keyboard. It has a full-sized one-zone RGB backlit chiclet keyboard with a numeric keypad. The keyboard has a good amount of key travel and tactile feedback, which makes it ideal for gaming and typing tasks. The keys are also spaced apart well, which reduces the chances of mistyping. The keyboard is also spill-resistant, which makes it suitable for users who tend to spill drinks or food on their laptops. The backlit feature of the keyboard is also customizable, and users can adjust the brightness and color of the lighting according to their preferences. Trackpad. The TUF A15 has a precision trackpad that provides accurate and smooth navigation for users. The trackpad has a large surface area and supports multi-touch gestures such as pinch to zoom and scrolling. The trackpad is also responsive and provides a good level of tactile feedback. Overall, the trackpad of the TUF A15 provides an excellent user experience, and users can perform various tasks efficiently. Connectivity. It has a variety of connectivity options, including 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with DisplayPort and power delivery support, an HDMI 2.0 port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a gigabit Ethernet port. The laptop also has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, which provides fast wireless networking and data transfer. Speaker. The TUF A15 has two stereo speakers that are located on the bottom of the laptop. The speakers produce decent audio quality, but they lack bass and may not be loud enough for some users. The laptop also has DTS:X Ultra technology that provides virtual surround sound and EQ presets that can be customized to suit different audio preferences. Battery. It has a 90 Wh battery that provides up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. The battery life may vary depending on the usage and settings, but it's impressive for a gaming laptop. The laptop also has fast charging support that can charge the battery up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Webcam. The TUF A15 has a HD webcam that provides decent image quality for video conferencing and streaming. The webcam also has a privacy shutter that can be manually closed to protect the user's privacy. Operating system. It comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, which provides a familiar and user-friendly interface for most users. The laptop also has ASUS Armoury Crate software that allows users to customize the laptop's performance, cooling, and lighting settings. Specification table. Conclusion. The ASUS TUF A15 is a powerful gaming laptop that offers great value for money. The laptop has an impressive hardware specification that can handle most gaming and productivity tasks with ease. The laptop has a rugged design, a smooth display, a powerful processor, ample memory and storage, a high-end graphics card, an effective cooling system, a comfortable keyboard, and a variety of connectivity options. The laptop also has a long battery life and a decent webcam, which makes it suitable for remote work and online classes. Overall, the TUF A15 is a great choice for gamers and power users who are looking for a high-performance laptop at an affordable price. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. If you got the value out of this video, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can click on the Amazon link in the description. And if you use that Amazon link to purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive and helpful content coming your way. Also, if you want to know more about the ASUS TUF A15 gaming laptop, visit our website using the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.